Inside Pablo Escobar's $10 billion abandoned mansions. Pablo Escobar had a number of mansions and houses that he had in his possession. He used these properties in order to hide himself from the feds and the DEA. However, when he was caught, all his possessions were taken away from him, and what happened to a number of his possessions are still a mystery. What happened to his houses? Did the government take control over his possessions? Are all his possessions broken down? Continue watching the video till the end to know more. Hey everyone, and welcome back to yet another video from our channel. We hope you guys are doing extremely well. In this video, we will be talking about the inside of Pablo Escobar's $10 billion abandoned mansions. We will be diving deep into every aspect of the situation, so if you are new to this channel, then make sure to hit the subscribe button. Now without any further ado, let's hop right into the video. Escobar owned a number of palatial homes, but his most notable property was the 7,000-acre estate known as Hacienda Nápoles, named after Naples, Italy, located between Bogota and Medellin. The house was reportedly cost $63 million, and it included a soccer field, dinosaur statues, artificial lakes, a bullfighting arena, the charred remains of a classic car collection destroyed by a rival cartel, an airstrip, a tennis court, and a zoo. The estate, the front gate of which is topped by the plane he used on his first drug run to the US, was later looted by locals, and it is now a popular tourist attraction. Of all his possessions, there is one mansion where he used to hide himself from the police, which has now been transformed into a state-of-art hotel where one can now stay in for a pretty penny. The mansion also includes an exclusive beach and an adult-only grotto. The mansion, which housed world-renowned drug lord Pablo Escobar, has now been turned into a magnificent hotel, complete with an underground grotto. If you've ever fancied stepping foot and sleeping in home where the Colombian fugitive himself hid from the police, now you can. Situated alongside the picturesque Caribbean coastline in Riviera Maya, Mexico, the luxurious hotel estate is said to have been home to the one and only Pablo Escobar. At just around $502 per night, with the price lowering within the winter months to $344, this mansion offers a unique, once-in-a-lifetime experience you really won't want to miss. Casa Malca, which is the name of the abandoned mansion, was snapped up by Escobar in the 1970s, after the Mexican government decided to turn the town of Tulum into a holiday destination. The town was completely overturned, and an exclusive haven for the wealthy and successful was created. The exclusive mansion is believed to have housed the drug lord himself, as its private location made it the perfect place to sneak away from the authorities. However, in 1993, when Escobar was captured and killed during a fatal shootout, after the location of his hideout in Medellin was discovered, the property was left abandoned. Nearly a decade after his death, the estate was discovered by art collector Leo Malca, who decided to purchase and renovate the property over 2 years into an artistic hotel. Having an eye for its rich history, Malca decided to revamp the property, and spent 2 years on doing so. The artistic hotel is now complete with 71 boutique suites and rooms across 193,750 square feet of green space, with an exclusive 590-foot beach located a few steps away. Across the internal and external areas, the rooms are decorated with Persian rugs, paintings, books and furniture scattered all around, giving a one-of-a-kind experience. And in the bedrooms, breathtaking views across the coastline can be spotted via the panoramic windows. However, it is the master suite that truly takes visitors' breaths away. This particular room offers tourists the magnificent history the hotel has to offer, as this is the room where Escobar himself would have stayed. Within the master ensuite, black walls and flooring fill the room and feature a rainfall shower, as well as his and hers sinks. The hotel is also complete with a spa, 2 pools, 3 restaurants, a private beach that has handmade tiki huts dotted around, as well as an underground adult-only grotto. Just a stone's throw away from the town center, there are a range of activities for tourists to partake in, and just a short bus ride away is the popular tourist destination of Cancun, which also offers a different side of Mexico. The stay is truly like none other, as Ana Prado Conti, a Brazilian luxury real estate broker, says it is often visited by A-list celebrities. Described as a hotel with an immersive experience like no other, Conti adds, Leo has preserved the bucolic charms of the place and has included several artworks signed by renowned artists such as Jeff Koons, Basquiat, Keith Haring, and a rare sculpture by KAWS. Guests and hotel staff also communicate via WhatsApp at any time of the day. Several celebrities have been there, such as actress Cara Delevingne and model Ella McPherson. Conti also claims that while the locals say the house is still part of Escobar's family, and while this might in fact be true, Malca has breathed new life into this mansion. And that's it for today. Did you enjoy watching the video? Did we miss out on anything? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. We would love to hear your thoughts on this while we keep working on making more such videos. Well, that brings us to the end of this video. We hope you have enjoyed watching the video. Please like the video if you have not already, and make sure to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss another update from our channel. With that being said, let's meet in another one of these videos. Until then, see ya.